Good afternoon, UVM. This is Sam the Weatherman here with a quick recap to start the forecast out today of the last couple days. We've seen warm temperatures like we've all experienced. Notice this red is those warm temperatures, and they're still up pretty far north. High of 82 actually today in Philadelphia, and notice the red all throughout the southeast portion of our country. But the high pressure is beginning to break down and head off into the ocean, and unfortunately we're going to have to pay for that now with a little bit of rain. And we can see that right here in your forecast today for Burlington. Rain all throughout the whole state of Vermont. Burlington Airport is actually recording light drizzles right now at the moment. And let's take a look now at your, actually we're going to skip the radar. Here's a look at your current forecast. Current temperature outside right now of 40 to 49 degrees. Winds out of the southeast at 6 miles an hour, and that humidity at 93%. Notice there's a couple raindrops off over the Lake Champlain, but most of those have already passed already this morning. Most of the rain bands are off into New Hampshire and southern Vermont now. So I think we're pretty clear as far as the rest of the day goes. Here's a look now at your radar. Like I just talked about, we have these rain bands down here in New Hampshire and in Massachusetts. These bands are moving moving east. So we've already experienced most of the rain that we're going to experience for the day today. As far as temperatures for this evening goes, we have that low tonight of 51 degrees and that wind chill of 49. So temperatures are going to stay relatively warm throughout the evening. The chance of rain returns, but I think we've already experienced most of the rain that we're going to experience for today. Alrighty, let's take a look now at your forecast for tomorrow. It should get relatively warm tomorrow. That high of 68 degrees. Notice still well above average, 18 degrees above average again tomorrow. Extremely warm spring, and that low of 54. The chance of a raindrop tomorrow morning, but as far as we head into the normal part of the day, things should begin to clear up. And we can see that here in our hourly forecast. When you're waking up tomorrow morning, around 10 to 11 a.m., temperature should be in the low 50s, and then we warm up nicely throughout the day and reach maybe a possible sunbreak around 2 p.m. and reach our high in the high 60s in your mid-afternoon. Chance of rain returns in the evening, but I think most of the rain will be early tomorrow morning. All right, here's a look now at your national map so we can see what we're up against for the next few days. Here's this storm that already moved out, but we're keeping an eye on right now on the storm up here over Michigan. It's a very severe storm, and it's moving east, so it's coming our way. We're going to keep an eye on that heading out into the next few days. Here's looking at it graphically. We've had some severe flooding over here in the Midwest, and notice this rain band all across the Ohio and Michigan and Indiana, all across in that range, and that's actually going to move up right our way and bring us some weak rain systems all throughout the next few days. Here's a look now at your 5-day forecast. Like we already said, that high of 67 tomorrow on Wednesday with slight chance of rain in the morning. On Thursday, the chance of rain grows with a high of 70. Notice the 2 raindrops, a better chance of rain. And then that cold front begins to move in on Friday with that high of 51 and a slim chance of rain in the morning. But then as we head out into the weekend, the chance of rain begins to dissipate. And we have that high of 48 and sunshine on Saturday. Then as we move into Sunday, the chance of rain returns with a high of 52. And as of right now, Monday is looking like it's going to be a beautiful day as we head on into next week. Thank you very much for tuning in to Sam the Weatherman, and I hope you enjoyed your forecast, and have a good Tuesday.